So I invite some friends to my place and I just want to show you what I'm cooking for housewarming. Yay! First, I'm gonna make salsa. Easy, easy. Okay. I was watching TV show and then I was supposed to start cooking at 3:30, but I was a little bit late. That's why I'm so rushing right now because they're coming at 4. I hope they're late, to be honest. Okay, so this must be so hot. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna prep for. This is all washed, so I'm just gonna put cilantro and I'm gonna put crushed tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes, this one. So, nervous. What time? 3:40. Okay. Ooh. Is it gonna be? Oh no. Ooh. Ooh. Today's menu, I'm gonna make tteokbokki and some fries. So like kind of like Korean style, you know, like it's called bunshik. So when I was young, like I used to eat a lot of this type of food. So yay! I don't have a jar like bowl for snacks, so I'm just gonna use plate. We only have 10 minutes? Jeez, I hope they're late. Okay, so this one goes to the table. Okay, I think this is gonna be enough. I hope so. I believe so. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here. Calm down, everything is gonna be fine. Okay, doke. Oh, looks like salsa for sure. Oh my god, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Let me try. Are you kidding me? I'm genius. Just salt a little bit. And then pepper a little bit. A little bit more. And then I mean, wish I have a lime, but like I can put a little bit lemon. I hope that's okay. A little bit more. That's it. Damn, but this is so good. It's so easy to make. Let's see. I hope they come late. They just text me. I have to text him back. Okay, now I'm gonna make tteokbokki. Hell yeah. Okay, I'm gonna mix this. Wait, hold on. I have to fry this one, huh? It's gonna be awful. Now I'm gonna boil this one. Okay, we got this. They're coming late, I think. We got this. This is really good, by the way. I can still do stuff. I don't know why I'm still rushing, to be honest. This is so good too. This looks so different than what I thought. Should I try? I hope. That's fine. Okay. Okay, meanwhile, I'm gonna do quick dishes. Are you kidding me? Oh, 30 minutes. Not bad. But the traffic's so bad right now. You know what I'm gonna text them? Or cab, hurry up. I think this. Do you think this much is gonna be enough? The food. Okay. Well, I guess then if they're gonna come at 5, I guess. So, okay, so my process is right now. This one is almost done. I can just put the rice cake and then sauce. That's it. And then this one is gonna go to oven, but maybe after they come, you know. So I'm not gonna put it in right now because it's gonna get, soggy or whatever. So anyway, but this one I just turn it down a little bit, the lowest fire, the lowest gas. So yes, and then the salsa I made and the chips. I hope they like it. I think it was good. I'm gonna try again. Okay, I'm gonna have a beer first. Yeah, 45. My cat is staring at me right now. Tutuni. Oh, my cutie pie, Tutuni. Oh, yepu, cutie pie. My Tutuni. Okay, so they're here. So I'm gonna...
I was like, I'm gonna work out before I see them, and then I looked at the time.
You worked out?
I don't have time to work out.
I understand. Okay, I'm gonna put this one.
I like spicy now.
You like spicy? Yeah.
I like spicy. You're just using it to crawl through a surgeon. It's gonna be there. For sure, like if you want to see with like friendly. Like, let's tell them because she also has been busy every week. Come on, never mind. They said, oh, let's get a little blue milk. I'm gonna try that, but I gotta forget the prescription.
We need more space.
Did you see our old place? Yeah, it was tiny.
Yeah, he was there.
Tiny, but I'm like, I thought you guys were. We wanted to do like strippers.
Can you guys use chopstick or fork?
I can use chopsticks.
Really? We don't have enough chopstick.
I can do fork. Either way.
Okay, Cory. Okay, you guys want to say hi? Do you guys have anything to say to me?
Can I have another beer?
Okay.
I'm allergic.
Well, okay, so this is what I made. You're not vegan. You're not vegan.
No.
You don't have any allergy. You don't have an allergy.
Almonds?
Oh no, there's nothing almonds. Yes. Okay, so I have
Cats?
Cat's right there. So okay, so I made this one, I made that one, and then that one. Oh, it's all frozen items, but I made only this one, but it's fine. Yes.
That's fine.
Yes. Yeah. Try. Oh, let me bring fork.
She's like, try it.
Okay, we'll try. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, try. I'm not sure it's all cooked through, but.
We'll find out. I hope you upload this. Oh.
Is it good?
The sauce is good.
Really? Is it good?
Wow.
Is it good?
I've never had this.
What do you think, Michael?
Hot.
Huh?
At first I thought these were sardines for some reason, but...
Sardines? No. No.
This.
It's like seaweed japchae.
Seaweed japchae, yeah. Okay, support me, my channel. Follow.
Subscribe, comment below.
Your favorite creature.
Bye.